There are more breaking updates coming in. In fact, the TMC has now made a shocking parallel, saying many government servants are die-hard RSS workers. My colleague Ankit is joining us with the details. The attack that has come in from the TMC draws very, very shocking parallels. Ankit, take us through the details.
So this is Jawahar Sircar, and it's interesting that he's also a former civil servant and now a Rajya Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress, and he writes, now that the government servants can be members of the RSS, many of them are actually die-hard RSS, will they be allowed to join social organizations of extreme Muslims and Naxalites also? They have social organizations too. So he's being playful here, but certainly what he's mentioning has connotations that may not be so playful and so safe. And so that is what the Trinamool Congress is saying. It's essentially mocking this permission to join the RSS and the RSS in general. We've heard it before.
Okay, all right. Ankit, thank you for joining us with those details. That's a tweet that has come in, a post on the social media X from the TMC leader Jawahar Sircar. Meanwhile, the petitioner who had filed this petition with the Madhya Pradesh High Court had this to say.
कोर्ट का निर्णय बहुत स्वागत योग्य है और मैं उससे काफी अभिभूत हूँ। और जो 50 साल लग गए उसमें जो हम लोग हमारे सर्विस में रहते हुए समाज सेवा कर सकते थे या राष्ट्र में विपत्ति के समय सेवा कर सकते थे, वो नहीं कर पाए। अब कम से कम आगे भविष्य में सभी कर्मचारी राष्ट्र सेवा में अपना कार्य कर सकेंगे। बहुत अच्छा फैसला है और उच्च न्यायालय का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने 1 साल के अंदर मेरा ये फैसला सुनाया और फैसले से मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Now, amid this controversy is the shocking statement that came in from the TMC MP Jawahar Sircar, who has drawn this shocking parallel, and he says, and I quote, many government servants are die-hard RSS. Will they be allowed to join Naxal social groups as well? Can the government employees join extreme Muslim social organizations? In fact, he has mocked Naxalites, Muslim extremists, saying they have social groups too. That's the extremist line that has been taken by the TMC that has compared the RSS to extremists. He has taken to social media X to say, will the government employees be also allowed to join other extremist groups? Because if the government is letting them join RSS when they are government servants, then why not allow them into other extremist groups as well? That's a comparison that has been made by the TMC MP. So the TMC MP has sparked off a controversy with this statement. This comes amid the Madhya Pradesh High Court also making some scathing observations. Remember, the Madhya Pradesh High Court said it was a mistake. The ban on the government employees joining the RSS was a mistake. That's the observation that was made by the Madhya Pradesh High Court, saying it was an infringement of rights. It also questioned the order for the last 50 years not being lifted. And now we have in the latest the TMC MP calling RSS an extremist organization. That's a criticism that has come in from the TMC. In fact, the TMC MP has also drawn parallels with the Naxalite movement, asking if the government employees, now that they're being allowed to even join RSS, will they even be allowed to join the Naxal social groups or not? Remember the Madhya Pradesh High Court, and the observations are also playing out on your screens. The Madhya Pradesh High Court had called RSS an internationally renowned organization. Amid such high praise coming in from the Madhya Pradesh High Court, criticism coming in from the TMC MP, who has sparked off a controversy by comparing the RSS and drawing parallels with the Naxalite movement as well, and asking if the government employees can also join extreme Muslim social organizations as well or not. My colleague Govind continues to stay live with us. Govind, the TMC MP has now sparked off a controversy, and this comes amid the Madhya Pradesh High Court calling the RSS an internationally renowned organization. But here we have the TMC MP who is comparing it to other extreme organizations.
Yeah, absolutely. You know that everybody is just looking to react on this kind of decision which was taken by the central government few days ago, and now remarks comes from the High Court of Indore, and now Jawahar Sircar, TMC MP, is definitely reacting now that the government servants can be the members of RSS, many of them are actually hard RSS, and will they be allowed to join social organization or extreme Muslim and Naxalites also? They have social organizations too. So definitely these reactions coming, and we can understand this is somewhat a side effect of these remarks and decisions which are being taken by the High Court and the central government.